And tonight, new evidence suggests that investigations into the killing of Joseph Nyakundi, that's the son of city lawyer Assa Nyakundi, could have been bungled. Senior police officers are on the spot after the Director of Public Prosecution, that's Nordin Haji, and DCI Director George Kinoti recalled the case file and disowned the manslaughter charge that they say was hurriedly preferred against the lawyer. And as NTV's Mel Miendo reports, both the DPP and the DCI have reassigned new officers to handle the case and will be preferring charges against their own officers who initially handled those same very investigations.
City lawyer Assa Nyakundi says he accidentally shot and killed his son Joseph but his troubles may just be beginning. Less than a week ago, Nyakundi appeared before the Kiambu law courts and pleaded not guilty to a manslaughter charge. He was freed on a 1 million shilling bond with a surety of the same amount or an alternative cash bail of 300,000 shillings. But now the tables have turned. DPP Nordin Haji and DCI Director George Kinoti have recalled his case file, citing grave concerns with how it was handled. The two say there were unacceptable delays in concluding the ballistic report, arguing that the decision to charge Nyakundi with manslaughter was too rushed. Kinoti and Haji said the manslaughter charges were preferred arbitrarily against the city lawyer, yet the forensic evidence clearly supports a murder charge. Following the evident gaps in administering prudence and transparency in the Nyakundi case, the DPP and DCI have recalled all their officers assigned to the case and have reassigned it to new ones. Investigations to establish the culpability of some officers in what appears to have been attempts at a cover-up have been launched, and the officers could face charges of conspiracy to defeat justice. Nyakundi, who willingly opted to move out of his Muthaiga residence, has since rented an apartment in Kilimani as he is not allowed near his home or family members. Nyakundi's wife Lydia and eldest son Noah have been listed as key state witnesses in the case. The lawyer spent 6 weeks in hospital over high blood pressure. Police responsible for the case played cat and mouse games with journalists when he finally appeared in court. The lawyer was first presented to Makadara law courts, then eventually to Kiambu, perhaps in an attempt to ensure the case did not receive any media attention. Sources revealed to NTV that the case had been compromised from the very start, and hence the reluctance to open it up to public scrutiny. Mel Miendo, NTV.